Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So on today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on Ladder. So turning off notifications on this app, it's a fitness app on iPhone, isn't always super obvious because it depends on whether you want to disable them inside the app or from your iPhone settings. So we will start by disabling the notifications or turning them off inside the app. And to do that, you will need at first to go and tap on the profile picture or profile icon that's located in the top right corner. And here, right now, you will be able to see the gear settings or the settings that you can find the top right corner. So once you tap it, you will be able to see the notifications option. It's the second option inside the second section. Okay, so once you tap it, you will be able to turn it on or off just from here. Okay, so just go with the status or the first option and then turn it off, okay, if it's enabled. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually turn off the notifications from your iPhone settings. So right here, you will need to go and scroll down all the way down until you can see the apps option. And once you tap it, you will need to go to the L alphabet by order. So it's right here, and that's our app. So tap it, go and tap on notifications, the third option, and then just go and turn that option off. It's allow notification, turn it off. Right, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.